Hey guys, all right, so it is another Bold Lips for Old Chicks Day, and today I found this on Amazon. It came up in my recommendeds. I haven't seen this in any stores, haven't heard anybody talk about it, but this is the Wet n Wild Monday Feels Lip Kit. Okay, and it includes a lip gloss and a lip liner. Let's see, it's just called Monday Feels. That's it. It doesn't have any like other shade or anything. It just says look good whether you are giving them your all or nothing, infused with cannabis, stevia seed oil to condition the skin, and energy stimulating coffee fragrance. Oh, to invigorate the senses. This lip kit is perfectly curated to provide a much needed pick me up. Okay, so we'll see if it is all those things or not at all. All right, here we go. Again, I saw this on Amazon. I haven't heard or seen anything about it, but I thought it was really cute. And I do like the colors, sort of like a nude, but it's got a little bit of a like barely discernible shimmer, sparkle, mica kind of color or glitter to it. It's not really like glitter, but it is sort of like a mica type, what am I trying to say? Shimmer to it, okay? Sparkle. All right, so the lip liner looks like a decent size. Oh yeah, that's right up my alley. It is a bit of a, on the cooler side of nude. And so, so on the mauvier side, I would say, a little bit cooler. And then let's get the lip gloss. Oh, I hate it when you can't pull it out. Oh my goodness, I cannot pull this out of the, there we go. All right. I'm always on the lookout for a nude gloss. Okay, so that, let me go get my favorite nude gloss and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild. Funnily enough, it's Wet n Wild as well. What's it called? Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. So this is not technically the same as a lip gloss or the same idea as this lip gloss that we're trying today. So it's gonna be more highly pigmented, but I just wanted to actually just show the shade so you guys kind of understand where I'm coming from with my shades. So this is my favorite, has been my favorite nude gloss like of all time ever. I wear this all the time. So this one is considerably pinker and cooler. This is more on the brownie sort of peachy orangey side. It doesn't look that orangey when it's on my lips. It's just perfect. So I love that one. All right, so let's just get this on, shall we? All right, so I actually do have a little bit of color on my lips. So I'm just gonna take that off. All right. And usually with a lip liner, if I ever use one, which I hardly ever do, I always fill in my entire lip. All right, so let's just try the gloss. Again, I hate this. And then if you rip it out, oh yeah, it totally smells like coffee, but it almost has a sort of toffee / butterscotch sort of smell to it, which I don't love. Like, I feel like you can't, it's so hard to have a coffee scent that actually makes me think of actual coffee. It's just a hard scent to replicate, and it always ends up smelling like butterscotch to me, which is not a flavor or smell that I like. Okay, so I think the gloss, the whole situation is very beautiful. So if you're looking for more of a cool toned, this is, you see how warm this is? If you're looking for more of a cool toned look, you might really like this. And as far as glosses go that are sort of nude, for me it's been difficult to find good ones, especially if you're just looking for like I don't know, like a less pigmented one that would maybe be for like a lipstick. So this is very beautiful. I'm really liking this actually. And I'm 44. Yeah, this year I'll be 45. So my lips, and because they're sort of, I would call them medium fullness, they have lines in them, and it just is what it is. And I don't have any, I'm not gonna ever do any like lip filler or anything. The only time I've ever thought, and this is just an inside note for you guys, the only time I've ever thought of doing a lip filler is to make my top lip a little bit more even with my lower lip. Because when I press my lips together and I have color on them like that, Like my top lip is actually a little bit more full than my bottom lip, but you can't tell because of the way it's shaped. Like if I pull it up, like would be more of like a true representation of how full my top lip is. And this is all just like vanity reasons. I don't like it when I smile for my lip to sort of disappear. Anyway, that's the only time I've ever thought about getting lip filler would be to like make this lip a bit more even with the bottom lip, especially like, I don't know, I feel like I look like those 1920s sort of like only have like, because this is so small because of the way my mouth is shaped, it just looks like this is tiny and I don't have that little rosebud mouth. I don't like that look. If you like that look, more power to you. It's not my favorite though. Anyway, so it's not like smoothing out every line is what I'm trying to get at, but it is nice. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like a tingling, plumping sort of gloss. It feels nice though. And I feel like this would be a good one to have hanging around in your purse because number one, it's not too highly pigmented. It's a neutral / nude type of shade. And it's not too sparkly. It's really nice. And then so you could just plop it on at any time, even if you're not wearing any makeup. But I will let you know any of my updated thoughts in the description after I wear this for the rest of the day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding that bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.